Good morning. It's the middle of the week, Wednesday, April 27th, 2022. My name is Michael Leizerman here with the Trial Guides Tip of the Day. Today from John Morgan's You Can't Teach Vision. He writes, productive paranoia keeps you alert and aware of everything that is going on in your business world. No matter what type of business you have, and no matter how good of friends you are with those in your business area, you want their customers and you want their money. Hmm. That's interesting. No matter how good of friends you are in the business area, you want their customers and their money. So my first thought is to push back against that. Um, the I really resist the that everyone's all what's in it for me. I think there's also an altruism in us, and also anything that I'm going to push back against. I want to see what is it in me that's pushing back. What truth can I find in that? So you want their customers. Well, I guess that's true. A lot of other trucking lawyers are some of my best friends. And if they're not my partners, um, sure, I want those clients, the clients they have. And I guess by having those clients, I would make that money. So the key is to notice that in myself, right? Notice that and then act in a way that I choose. There's a story I tell of one of my best friends who's a competitor, who wanted to be part of an organization that I was head of, and I initially that went through my mind. Oh, they're a competitor. Maybe I should not give them too much power in this organization. And I was so ashamed of myself that I would think that way. At least I recognized it, and I invited him to be part of it, and he eventually led the organization, and it was the right thing to do. And it turned out we both had made a lot of money working together. But even if we hadn't, um, this is worth contemplating. Noticing your feelings around money, around competitors. Uh, it's natural to be jealous, to want things. Um, the greed isn't the problem; it's the clinging to the greed. It's not being willing to let it go. So, at least those are my thoughts on today's tip of the day. So, let us take a breath together and be grateful to be alive. Hmm. Yeah, being alive, that puts it in perspective. May we go out in the world and do good things today, even when we recognize the greed in us, the anger in us, the fear. May we act in a way that reduces suffering in the world. May we act as lawyers in the world in a way that brings about good and justice. All right, I'm going to ring a bell 3 times. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just wash over you and remind you go out, have fun, do good things.